Welcome to Nancy Obibo TV, where cooking is made easy. Here we prepares all kind of Africa and intercontinental dishes. Stay with us and remain blessed.
Hello beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this vegetable pancake that'll leave you asking for more. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So I'm gonna be using banana for this recipe. Make sure you wash it and peel the back, then match it. So I'm gonna match this till it is a bit smooth, not really smooth.
Stir it, fry it, cook it well. Every recipe has a story to tell. Easy steps, flavors so true. On Nancy Obibo TV, I'm cooking with you. Stir it, fry it, feel that groove. Every little bite will make you move from low.
Next, I'll transfer it into my bowl. I'll set that aside. Next is my carrots. I'm gonna wash this and remove the back peel, those black peel, wash them properly. Next, I'll grate it. So I'm gonna grate this. This will add this sweet flavor to your pancake.
Kitchen to a happy home. Sing it loud, you already know. Nancy Obibo TV, let's go. Hey, hey, let's go, let's go. Hey, Nancy Obibo TV, let's go.
Next, I'll transfer my carrots into the banana mixture.
Welcome to the kitchen. Come and cook with
I'll
me.
add in 1 egg.
Tasty little wonders on your screen for free.
I'm gonna mix everything together to combine properly. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe and stay connected. So next I'll go in with my flour. I'm gonna be adding this flour gradually. I'll add in nutmeg and I'll add in salt. The first set of flour that I added was half cup, and now I've added another half cup, which is 1 cup in total. So I'm gonna mix everything together. Moving ahead, we'll go over to frying, and in my pan I'll add in vegetable oil. I'm gonna heat that a bit and I'll scoop in my butter. So I'm gonna do this until I get this golden brown that I love. So go ahead to flip it over and over again until you get what you want.
Obibo TV, let's go. Hey, hey, let's go, let's go. Hey, Nancy Obibo TV, let's go. Welcome to the kitchen. Come and cook with me. Tasty little.
Look at how beautiful this is. So this is my final look. I'll go ahead to remove it from my pan and I will do another set. See, you definitely love this recipe. I love you to try it and tell me what you think about this video.
You stir it, fry it, cook it well. Every recipe has a story to tell. Easy steps, flavors so true. On Nancy Obibo TV, I'm cooking with you. Stir it, fry it, feel that groove. Every little bite will make you move from local place to something new. On Nancy Obibo TV, it's all for you. Sizzle in the pan now, color on the plate. Simple, quick and cheerful. You don't have to wait from early breakfast to late night stew. Every show's a seed for you. Slice it, season, let it glow. Follow me and take it slow. One more pinch, the flavor's true. Set